Hey everyone, welcome back to another episode. Now in this one, we are going to make it so when you buy Game Pass, it will pop up on your screen saying that you need to reset your game. This is just to make players aware that they need to reset their game for their Game Pass to work. Now not all the time. You can do script, which means they won't have to reset the game, but it's really long and I'm not going to be doing it in this series just because we sort of already programmed our Game Pass. It would just be a pain to rewrite the whole code now. We might do I'll probably do a video in the future on it. You can use like enum for it, but let's just go over and get this done. So in our starter UI, we've got our pop-up. We're going to do it in our pop-up script. Now in our pop-ups here, we're going to say, well, first we're going to make a replicated storage, and we're going to duplicate our coin pop-up. And we're not going to need to change any text within this, so let's just delete this, yeah? All we want to do here is say, we're going to put this in, also, let's just quickly put this in our pop-up so we can change the position. I'm going to make the size of this 0.2, 0.2, 0 or something like that. That's quite big. Let me add the background for now. Then yeah, okay, now we can resize it. Now I'm going to put this around about here. I'm going to put it, make it longer. There we are. Going to make the background transparency 1. And I'm going to make this be sure to reset your game after purchasing a Game Pass, or something like that. Now I'm just going to do that, and I'm going to drag it back into the replicated storage. Then I'm going to rename this to Gamepass Popup. Now in our pop-up script, we're going to say, actually, we're not going to do it in our pop-up script because we're going to do it in the script where we're buying the game. We're going to do it in the Game Pass shop. In here, after we've bought a Game Pass, after we've prompted it, we say game.replicatestorage dot, and then we're going to do a bit long. We're going to do all this in one line. It's going to be a bit long though. Game.replicatestorage dot Gamepass Popup :clone dot parent is going to be equal to script.parent.parent.popups, like so, and that's going to clone it from the replicated storage, set it to the parent as the thing. It's the same as what we've done here, but here we did it in not two lines. Yeah, in where is it? Here in 2 lines of code. These 2 lines. Whereas here we're just doing the same thing but only in 1 line of code. We're going to copy that. Also, we're going to do wait, and then let's leave this on the screen for like 5 seconds or something like that, and then, or wait this however long you want. This is going to appear when you cancel, whether or not you cancel or buy, it won't matter. We're just going to wait 3 seconds, and then we're going to copy this. We're going to actually copy both. Yeah, no, we're going to copy. No, we're not. Sorry, I'm hesitating here. I'm going to say script.parent.parent.popups dot, and then we're going to yeah, dot. Then this would be Gamepass Popup :destroy, and then that will remove it. We're going to copy these 3 lines and put them after each Game Pass, after each end on the prompt thing here. If has true as you else prompt it, whoops, else prompt it, and then there we are. That should now work. Let's test this. Click on play. Now this is going to work because I already have all the Game Passes, so yeah, this isn't going to work. So let's stop this. I'm going to quickly, quick way of doing this, I'm going to comment out all of these numbers and make them like all 1 or something like that, just for now, and just comment out the real numbers, and then we'll replace them afterwards. So now I won't actually have these. It will say be sure to reset your game after purchasing a Game Pass. It's not perfect, but as you can see, it will do. It works. So all that really matters. Then be sure to reset your game. You could make it 5 seconds or a bit longer, but I'm just going to leave it there. Now, as I say, it's very simple. It doesn't take very long. That's literally it. You lot could change this a lot. We'll have a future video probably on making things so you don't have to reset your game for game passes, but for now this will do. So thanks for watching everyone, make sure to save your game and save any backups, and see you in the next one. Bye.